Level 9, Advanced. The little engine that could. Long ago, a train carried food and toys across the mountains. But halfway up the hill, the engine broke down. The toys were worried because children were waiting beyond the hill. They asked several great engines for help. One said, "I only pull big trains." Another said, "I am too tired to try." Disappointed, the toys almost gave up hope. Then, a small blue engine came along. She was tiny, but her spirit was strong. She said kindly, "I will help. I think I can." The little engine pulled with all her strength. The train was heavy, and the hill was steep, but she never gave up. "I think I can, I think I can," she puffed. At last, she reached the top and rolled down the other side. The children received their toys, and the little engine said proudly, "I knew I could." She proved that courage and determination can overcome great challenges.